Yes. Okay. So today we are going to study about how to work with master pages. Okay. Now, working with master pages. Now, first what I do is say this is my ASP dot. What do we have is project. Okay. Yes. Now, in this project, now I'm going to have one web page. Sorry, I'm going to create one page, and that page is better. I create master page. Okay. Now this master page will be containing, say for example, this content. What content? Let me show you. Yes. This is one content. This is one content. This is one content. Now, what each of it is, for example, page header, page footer, menu, page content. Yes. So first is your page content. Header. This is page footer. And this one is for what do you call menu. And whatever this area we have is reserved for this one content. So let me show you. This will be page header, which I am going to use. Okay. The second one is page footer. This is page header, page footer. This is for menu. and this is for page content. And now remember, this master page, whichever we are going to design, it works like template. Master page works like what? Template. Okay. Why you created this? Because when you design a project in ASP.NET, you may have multiple pages, or you can say like you can have web pages that you would like to have with what some fixed format. So what you have to do now is, now in this project, and what is the this file will have now? Let's call this as file name I'm talking. Main master dot extension master. Main master dot master extension of this master page, and remember its extension is dot master, not dot aspx. Web server can execute only those pages which are with dot aspx extension. Dot master, web server cannot execute. So it means what simple conclusion is, you cannot execute master page. You cannot execute. Simple point, it doesn't have. So it cannot have. It doesn't have extension as .aspx. So definitely, even if you give this file to server will not recognize, and server will give you error saying that so and so page is not for execution. So indirectly now what you see is master page is now acting as template. It is a template. Okay. Now what else you do here? So I'll write here. Cannot be executed directly. No, because reason already I said. Yes, cannot be executed directly. Master page cannot be executed directly. Better I'll keep short. Reason, what do you say? Reason? Because it doesn't have extension. What extension? .asp. Now what you have to do, since I already said you that instead of designing every page with such format, which is such format, that would become wastage of time for us, because I can't waste my time going to every page and making such formats. That is the reason Microsoft has introduced the concept of what? Master pages. So that we have some easy approach to deal with this process. So usually when you design a web page, when you design a website, every website is going to have one fixed, uh, color palette. Like they may have some background color, they may have some foreground color, they may have some color for border color is different, you may have header, you may have footer, you may have menu creation, fonts, This all will play major role when you design a website. And not necessary that whatever the settings I provide for first page, that I may remember. So not necessary that I may remember those formats even for second page. If I have 20 pages, definitely all 20 pages you would like to have with same font, with same background color, same foreground color, same menu color, same border color, same font, same, what do you say, appearance of each page that you want to have for your web pages available in your website. And every time you can't waste your, what do you say, time to do this process for every page. So now what you do, mention all these things for your master page. And after that, what you are supposed to do is, now you start adding web pages to your project. Yes. To the same, I create now web page, page 1. And what is it? Web page. Extension page 1.aspx. Web page, web form, anything you say which you feel comfortable. Not necessary that you call it as web page. Web form you say. Because we add web form. Yes, this is page 1.aspx. What you have to do now? Now compulsory. This master page is there now, which you have designed. This master page is there now, which you have designed first. So this master page, you have to link to what? Page 1.aspx. Yes. Now what will happen in page 1.aspx? Same content I'm saying. Same. Whatever is there for master page, the same content is available for page 1.aspx. Yes, same. And possibility that you can have one or more master pages and one or more web pages. More web forms. Web pages better. Yes. And even I can do like this. I can make a point like this. One or more master pages, one or more web pages. And this I'm talking about project. Project can have one or more master pages. Project can have one or more web pages. I can do like this. I can do like this. Like what? All odd number web pages. Odd number web pages, I would like to apply some format. All even number web pages, I would like to apply some format. So I can design two master pages. I can have two master pages. For all odd positions, I'll link with one master page. All even number positions, I'll link with one master page. I can do various types of calculation. Not necessarily like always I talk about odd even. No, it depends. Okay. Hmm. Now, another important thing is, even sometimes they go even this way. They say like first menu, first menu, you should have with some color palette, some fixed structure for your web pages, and second menu you should have with another web page, another format. Third web page with some other format. So like depends on menu also. So now obviously number of menus you have in your website, accordingly you design your master pages. Accordingly, you design master pages so that depending on your menu, you try to apply so and so color formats. But it is wrong to say that you should have only one master page. That is wrong. No, you can't say that. Highly impossible. And now, question that comes here is are you talking only about formatting? Definitely not. No, I didn't say that only for coloring and all we use master. No, rather, we have a rule that if I place any control on master page, that control is automatically available for your all web pages to which that master page has been connected. Now, another point is I said like a website can have multiple web page master pages, and I said like a web page can be associated to master page. Now, question that what I'm trying to come up is it always like a web page should be connected with master page? Can't is it not possible to have a master page connection with another master page? Yes, even answer is right. Remember, a master page can become a master to another master page. Hope you understood my sentence what I said. A master page can become a master to another master page. Not necessarily that always you link only web pages with master page. No. A web page can be linked to a master page, and a master page can become a master to another master page. Possible. Two different concepts. Multiple master pages you can have? Yes. Then a master page can be connected to another master page? Even then. But what about content? Content. Obviously, page one content may be different, page two content may be different, page three content may be different, page four content may be different. Maybe, no doubt, it may be. Then there is a facility. Yes, yes. If you have page one content different, then you go page one content only. Change it. Not necessarily like everything, like always you are dependent only on that what is there in master page, the same thing will be available. No, not necessary. It's a template. Support you take, you have something additional to write in page one, page two, page three, page four, or whatever the list of pages, you can go for it. That options also you have been given to work with master page. If it is not made available, then it's like every time everyone has to work on master page and it automatically reflects in all the pages. That would become foolish. That would become wastage of time rather. They gave us a facility to make things simple. But always remember, if you do something in master page here, if you do something in master page, automatically that content gets updated in your all the web pages to which that master page is connected. To which that master page is connected. But if you make anything in a web page, if you add something in web page, that would 100% will not be reflected to master page. As simple to make things clear that this is my page, my page, master page. This is your page. You're being provided with features what is there in master page. Whatever I have, you will have the same. If I add something in me, that would add it in you. But you add something, example, like I trained you, master, I trained you. So all the pages will have same features. Whatever I'm teaching, that is inherited to Srinivas, that is same explained to Anand, that same being explained to Roman. All are getting same. Whatever I explain, whatever I have with me, the same thing is being delivered. The same thing is being provided to all of you. You all are you three are web pages. Me is master page. I'm not saying that I'm the only master. No, you may have multiple masters. You may have multiple masters. Your life, my life is your website. It's like a project. Currently, you all three are for all you three. I'm a master. Now, I said now, like whatever I deliver, that is being added to three of you. Imagine. After some days, you got a job. You are benefited. I don't get any reflection in me. That is your added point. That is your added feature. You are a web page. When you add something, master will not get reflection of it. But when I add something, that makes added point for you. I was also saying same thing. If if ASPX page content is changed, does master page reflect of it? 100% no. No, not at all. And these two queries, you should never get confused. You should be very cautious even in interviews and all. They put back to back this question, back to back. You should be very cautious in listening to that query. First question they ask, can a website have multiple master pages? Yes. Then the next question they ask, can we make a master page as a master to another master page? Even answer is yes. This is the story behind working to master pages. Once I come up with practicals, definitely I'll come up with more number of points to discuss on it. So open Visual Studio. Visual Studio. Now, what exactly you're looking for? A master page. And we'll see how to design that page. So go to File, then New, then Website. Website 18. Go for. Okay. Once this page is website is created, now what? Okay, we have even a lot of things to discuss through coding part also, architectures and all. This is only one basic architecture we covered. And don't compare this with themes and skins, please. That is different. This is different. If you are interested, you can make your master page available with themes and skins, so that formats whatever you have mentioned in your master page along with themes and skins, that is applied for all the web pages to which it is connected. So let's begin now. So let's call website, add new item, and you can find here master page. Don't go to web form now. Daily we used to do that, but today the story is different. We are talking about master page, and I'll call this as main master. Enough. Default extension to this is dot master only. You might have noticed, when I add this for add new item master page extension, you see extension dot master. I wantedly have changed this, saying that is main master dot master main master dot master page. Click on add. Yes, simple. No HTML code, nothing. You can different approach. I mean to say, not HTML in the sense we are not going to do that process actually. First difference that you see on the top, it's not page directive, rather you have now master directive. First server tag, server code, server instruction, first line. Web pages will have page directive. Here you have master directive. Now, obviously, something important that you notice in this master page is head section has one special tag called content placeholder, and body section under div tag you have one more block called content placeholder, which currently I am not interested to have that. So I would like to remove content place. Just give me a second. Yeah. So what exactly we want to do now? We want to remove this tag called content placeholder from both sections. Head section also I removed, and div section also I have removed. Later I'll explain you what is the role of later. Later we will see why I removed those tags. Which tags you removed? Content placeholder, which was there even in head section, which was there in div section. I removed both of them. Okay. Now what you do, straight away go to design window. Yes. Now what you have to do in design window is somewhere here. You have something called here table menu is there. Go there. In table menu, then you click on insert table. Yeah, it is asking you rows and columns. So I'm 3 rows I use, 2 columns I use. 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, click on OK. Yes, yes, 3 rows and 2 columns. Now what you do is this section is a bring down, bring down till corner you bring. Okay, and this section is a bring down left side, drag and drop. Yes, yes. So this is one column cell, this is second cell, this third cell, then fourth cell, then fifth cell, then sixth cell. Okay, now what you do, since I'm going to use this as page header, I'm going to use this as what I said, page header, this one. So I'm going to use this as page header. So for that, what I want you to do is, these two are there, these two. Currently, they are two cells. You have to make it as one cell. Two columns it is. Make as one column. How would you do this? Select two columns of this first row, right click, modify, merge cells. Yes, the two has become one. Same thing you repeat. Select these two, right click, modify, merge cells. Yes, yes, it has been merged. This has become complete one row, and this bottom, this one, it has become complete one row. Now, for understanding, only for understanding, I'll say this is page header. For understanding, here, this is page footer. Yes. Okay, now we will even make these things available for appearance. Right click. So you would like to have this background, foreground, those all things. If you are interested, then you can go and apply. Like what exactly you do. Select this first row. Select this first row. Then right click. Go to properties. Under properties, you have a property called style. Check where it is here. Yes, style. Browse. Now you have options. What options you have here? Background color, more colors, some light color I'll select. And same thing I would like to apply for. Okay, done. Same thing, right click, properties, browse, background, background color, more colors, select this, okay, okay. Yes, same I change. Oh, even we'll make text also little bold. Properties, style, go to browse, and font, font weight, bold. Yes. Okay. Here also same. Right click, properties, browse, font, font weight, bold. Done. Yes. Page header, page footer, both have been set. Now, this is one row only. Actually, two columns were there. I merged them to one cell. This also I merged them to one row. This is second column. This I would like to use for, what do you say? What do you say? This is for what you want to use? You want to use this for what? Menu. But the problem is, you can see the cursor is in the middle. I want cursor to be here on the top, in the middle, not in the middle. It should be on the top left corner. But currently I'm not getting it's in center. Here also same. It's in center. Here also it is in center. But where do you want this? This should be in the top here. It should be on this corner. Here it should be in this corner. But currently it is not happening. So do one thing. Right click, go to properties, then style. Now in style, go to background, then click on this, go for more colors, and let's apply it. Okay, some color is selected there. Yes, this is for menu, and this one I want to use for page content. Properties, then style, browse, background color, browse, uh, Uh, light color will apply. That you take care of is only for my practice purpose. I'm showing you. Not good. That would be making change. I mean, color appearance and all that you do. That depends actually what company needs about. It's only to make you think, aware of like what things are made available for master page. Those things I'm trying to highlight. Okay, the cursor is still in the middle. Here also cursor is still in the middle. Now where you want your cursor to be like? In the top. In the top. So right click again, go to properties. Okay, in properties, go to style, browse. You want your text to be in the top now. So where it is, uh, block. Where it is, color, font style, no. Font weight, no. Font style, no. Font size. I'm missing. I have that option where I can bring my cursor. Default it is in middle. You can get it on top of this cell. Go to block once. Yeah, text align it is okay. Alignment, no? Which alignment? It is the middle. If I go left to right, it is horizontal. Vertical align. We'll see one. Yes, it's there. Top. Okay. Now cursor is on the top. Still here cursor is in the middle. Right click. Go to properties. Browse. Now I just go to that option. Same process. Block. Vertical align. Top. Done. Yes, cursor is on. Do you understand what exactly I said? The way we have designed our master page. Applied with, and here what do we have? Page header. What do we have? Page header. Obviously, you can keep your, what do you call company's, photograph, or you can have like uh, heading of the page that would be common for all the web pages. You can keep your logo, I mean to say, sorry, logo of your company. You can keep in page header. Okay. Uh, now what we will do? Now what we will do? mm, uh, Here, not I don't write page header. I better write. This is uh, my logo of the website. Some logo of the website. Okay. Here, this is for reference only for changing colors and all I have written. And now I'll write my actual content. 1 second, Romana. What did you ask? Here is we give links in the menu, and in it, if we give the links to other pages, and if we want the links of those pages to be arranged in alphabetical order, how can we do that? Yeah, then why do you use? Then you can write a code for that instead of getting the menus directly. You can use that. We have the controls, which controls. One is hyperlink control is there, or I can use what do you call bulleted control. Bulleted control I can use. Bulleted list control. In that I can make all the options available. I can arrange them in order, and I can give different formats, and I can convert every bulleted list value as a hyperlink. Over. You can give a reference. Then still, if you don't want like that, you want to approach in a different way, then do one thing. You can use collections. C sharp collections. All collection values, keep them in data, and you can arrange them in order, and you can put that in the form of menu. Yes. So now here, this page footer, page header, etc. Just I change this content to something else of my choice. This is page header. This is page footer, etc. That I'm changing for understanding. I just say copyright, copyright. Copyrights to my name, and for reference, this is footer. Yes. Save. Page header I change to my logo. Page footer also I changed to logo. And are you interested to keep any image here? Then lot of changes may appear, or that font, that particular, what do you call, header size gets increased when you start keeping your logo. Okay, those all, depending on what you have content according to your design. Okay. Till here we are done. Now, what is your other information? That what is the other part you want to have? Yes, I would like to write something here in master page, not directly through one control, so that that text will appear in all the web pages to which you connect this master page. Okay, how would you do that? Then go to toolbox. Yes, we have a control called content placeholder. Content placeholder. Drag and drop. Yes, content placeholder. Just drag and drop that control. Now, if you go there, here, here, whatever you are interested, you write here. You can say website under construction dot. This is a confirmation message. Website under construction. Yes. Website under construction. So let's try once with its properties as well. Style, just font size I would like to bold. That's it. Not anything else. Font weight. Okay, bold. Done. Okay. Just save. You want to see what is the source code happened? Yes. Check. Whatever you did, this everything is available. Table. You remember the table row, table data, table tag. Those things it has used, because I just placed a table using table menu, insert table option I used, and I placed content placeholder tag. In that content placeholder tag, I mentioned an option, website under construction. The same thing you could find here, even in the content placeholder tag. Say, yes, master page is ready. At least some overview it is ready. Now what you do, go to Solution Explorer, right click on the project, add new item, web form, and I would like to give the name for this as page1.aspx. Page1.aspx. And now I would like to make this page1.aspx to have same format what is there for master page. So you select now master page, click on add. Yes, which master page? Main master dot master. Okay, see the difference. The moment you made a web page connecting with the master page, you can see page directive, title, something is there, language, C sharp, master page file to which it is connected. It's called main master.master, auto event wire up, which is true, page1.aspx.cs. So obviously I'm not interested to make this more available. Okay, wantedly deleted. Okay. You want to try for 6 other web pages also? Go for it. Website, add new item, web form, select master page, change your page name to page2.aspx. Click on add. Yes, click on add. Yes. Second, delete the content. Then again, website, add new item, web form, file name you'd like to have now, page3.aspx. Click on add. Third page, same master page, disconnect, remove it. Yes, it got disconnected.